Lift up your voice and with us sing. Alleluia, alleluia. Thou burning sun with golden beam, thou silver moon with softer gleam. Oh, sing ye, oh, sing ye. Alleluia, alleluia, alleluia.
Thou rushing wind that art so strong, ye clouds that sail in heaven along. Alleluia, alleluia. Thou rising morn in praise rejoice, ye lights of evening find a voice. Oh, sing ye, oh, sing ye. Alleluia, alleluia, alleluia.
Thou flowing water pure and clear, make music for thy Lord to hear. Alleluia, alleluia.
Thou fire so masterful and bright, that givest all both warmth and light. Oh, sing ye, oh, sing ye. Alleluia, alleluia, alleluia. Dear Mother Earth, who day by day unfoldest blessings on our way. Alleluia, alleluia.